supersonic. Cause I'm faster than sound, I keep on jumping around.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing FNB. Let's go. This game is so epic. It's like super epic. Like, you guys should play this game. It's called FNB. It sometimes gets shadow banned, so you have to go in like the group. It's really good. Trust me. Oh, my ears! My ears! Hurry up. We're gonna, let's do genuine sucker. I'm very pro. I'm very pro.
3, 2, 1, go!
I beg you, Oh, I can't do this. Sorry, that game is too laggy. I swear. That game is too laggy, I swear. Okay, do another one. Oh, I know it. I know which one. I know which one. This one's gonna be good. Like, it's gonna be like really awesome. Like, really awesome.
No, that wouldn't be. I was at 2 weeks. No, you were not. Yes, I was. I was at 2 weeks.
Let's do this.
I was at 2 weeks.
Mini.
3, 2, 1, go!
No. 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 Why is my game so laggy? I'm using OBS for the first time. I don't understand. How is it so laggy this bad? It's probably because I have OBS and the other stuff open. I'm gonna actually like do a song this time. Those two are fails. Fails! I mean it. Oh, by the way, the bathroom. It's nothing, man. It's nothing, man. It's nothing, man.
3, 2, 1, go!
I just don't understand. I don't understand how it's just so laggy for me, I swear. Someone can tell me how to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna have to pick a bit of a slower song, you know? Oh wait, no, I was just singing.
What was your number? I was at
5. I gotta do this one. Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, go!
What the booty? What the booty? What? Alright guys, so moral of the story, just try and play FNB. And someone tell me in the comments how to fix this, cause this stupid OBS is lagging my game and I can't do anything about it. So yeah. Bye.
On the beach, we are all bunny jumping, and with our feet we all stump to